This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for August 12, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up by 0.69 points or 0.17% and closed at 405.59. Total trade volume was up with 120,279 shares changing hands at a total value of 484 million real or over $120,000. On the main board, 4 stocks were up. Leading the market was Grand Twins International, up 2.61% or 180 real to 7,080 real per share, followed by Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, which was up 0.59% or 80 real to 13,600 real per share. Scenic Ville Autonomous Port and Akleda Bank were also up. Only one stock was down for the day. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ dropped 0.48% or 10 real to 2,090 real per share. Meanwhile, Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, Pestec Cambodia, MJQ Education, and CamGSM remained flat. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering dropped 0.50% or 10 real to 2,000 real per share, while JS Land remained flat at 2,780 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 34,555 shares changing hands at a total value of 236 million real or over $58,000, approximately 29% of Tuesday's trade volume. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 11,287 shares changing hands at a total value of 23.5 million real or close to $6,000, about 9% of August 12th's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD strengthened to 4,005 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was up slightly to 98.51. Looking at global commodities, oil prices were broadly steady on Tuesday as the United States and China extended a pause on higher tariffs, easing concerns an escalation of their trade war would hit oil consumption. Brent crude futures lost 2 cents to 66.61 US dollars a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude futures eased 10 cents or 0.2% to 63.86 US dollars. Gold prices nudged higher, recovering slightly from a sharp decline in the previous session as investors awaited US inflation data for further insight into the Federal Reserve's rate cut trajectory. Spot gold was up 0.1% at $3,348.41 US dollars per ounce. US gold futures for December delivery eased 0.2% to $3,397.10 US dollars. Stock futures mostly fell early Tuesday as investors prepare for a fresh inflation report. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 77 points or 0.17%. Nasdaq 100 futures fell 0.02%, while S&P 500 futures lost 0.35%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for August 12th.